Hello, so today I'm going to try and do a little mini makeover. I've had this bookshelf in my front entrance for about 2 years. I haven't really done much to it. I've actually had it for way longer, at least 5 years. It is pretty scratched up, it's worn and torn, and I just want to give it a new look, So my goal for this bookshelf is kind of to make like a cute little entryway where, we maybe put our umbrellas, our keychains up there, just kind of stuff that you usually, need or what you need to. I just want to create a good space for when I walk in, nice pretty space and just room for me to put my stuff down. So I'm looking to make a nice little entryway design entrance. So hope you enjoy it.
The first step is to get a clean surface by wiping down the bookshelf. Next, I remove the backing with my drill. I then put a first coat of primer as a base.
So I finally was able to finish the painting on this little front table. Took me a while, but hey, I got it done. So my next thing was, what was I gonna do for the back part? I didn't just want to leave it just the solid color. I want to do something different. So I looked at different ideas on Pinterest and I came up with maybe applying some wallpaper in the back. So this is what I did, and it came out perfect the first time. It was great. Just kidding. Originally, I wanted to spray paint it, but that didn't work. It just didn't grab well on this cardboard in the back. So then I went to Hobby Lobby, and I really found this. It's not really wallpaper, but I used Mod Podge to kind of attach it to the board, and this is probably what I was looking for without knowing. I love it. I love the design. It's definitely what I'm going for, like Victorian style. The color, the gray, that's what I wanted. I kind of want my living room to be white and like gray with some hints of gold, of course, some glitz and some glamour. And I'm actually very pleased. It's my first time doing it. It's not perfect. There are wrinkles, but hey, it's practice makes perfect. So I'm pretty pleased with this, my first try. I kind of made the edges a little longer, so once I actually nail it to the back, I'm gonna trim off the excess paper, and we'll see from there how it looks. And then I do have to do a little touch-up paint on the dresser here and there, but for the most part, it's kind of like what I had in my mind. So stay tuned as I'm going to put this on the back, and then we'll see the final product to see how it looks. Yay!
So here I'm just screwing the backing back on the dresser. Then I cut the excess edges with my box cutter knife.
this is pretty much the finished product. I do have to do, like I said, a little bit of touch-up paint, but overall, I'm pretty happy with this transformation, and it's gonna look beautiful in my front entrance once I decorate it with, you know, my little knickknack. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time.